out for Dr. Bruce Banner, 5'11", medium build, brown hair. Subject considered armed and dangerous. We have a 10-11, unit responding on the scene.
Dispatch, our bullets are bouncing off! We're gonna need the army to stop this thing! You there. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say will be used. What's the point? Hands in the air! I said freeze! On me. Watch your back now.
We need to take a big risk, Bruce. We're going to use the Hulk to help us build the machine through hypnotic implants and auto-suggestion. It's going to take about 5,000 watts to run the equipment.
And you want me to smash up the main grid?
Just the relevant parts. I've identified 3 key substations that need to be taken out, but be careful. They're surrounded by high-voltage Tesla fields.
Dispatch, we are 1037. He busted up the damn generator.
Roger that, Adam 6. We're sending fire and medical assistance. All units, be on the lookout for suspect, Bruce Banner. Approximately 12 feet tall, green skin. Wanted in connection with destruction of private property, subversive activities, and resisting arrest.
Destroy.
We are dispatching emergency fire vehicles to your location. Do what you can to contain.
Oh my god! Maintain a perimeter! He's coming for the substation!
Substation. Can we get some emergency vehicles down here?
We'll have to be quick. Blonsky knows we're on to him. According to an intercepted memo, his backup data is on a computer terminal inside Division HQ.
Command Tower, we are on course for cargo collection. ETA in 4 minutes. Keep on your scopes for possible activity. Mission HQ suspecting a visitor. Roger that, Control. He ain't getting past the perimeter.
This is Jackal. You better get that cargo loaded double time. The wolf was at the door.
Charity. Get out of here! Let's give him hell. This is Blonsky. I want a status report double time.
The key to all our problems is Emil Blonsky. We know he was sent by the NSA to monitor Gamma prisoners held inside the vault. If you ask me, Blonsky is a very dangerous individual. His record suggests an emerging persecution complex, perhaps a borderline personality disorder. But you better believe, if he's here to supervise Ross, he's trying to find a military application for Gamma transformation.